Hey guys, today we are opening UEFA Champions League soccer card packs. Let's see what we got. So, the first card, let's see. Let's see. What is it? Emery Can. That's a good one. Next one. It's just the thing, but it's fine. Now here is so let's see. Immobile, Italian. It's cool. Nice card. Liverpool. Ooh. Okay. Nice, looks like a cool card. Ooh, Arda Güler. He is a great young player. Okay, nice. Good. So far these cards have been mid. Let's see if these next ones are better. Ollie Watkins, that's a good card. Nice. Alejandro Grimaldo, he's a good player. Winner of the what's it called? Forgot somehow. The Euros, yeah, for Spain. Juventus. Nice. Ooh, Gavi.
Nice.
Barcelona card. Okay, that's the first pack. There's actually a second pack and a third pack. The third pack has a little less players because it is actually a special pack. So here is the second pack. Card. Nice. It's a good one. Sebastian Coates. Francesco Camarda. That's a AC Milan, PSV. Johan Bakayoko. Leverkusen. Oh, Florian Wirtz. This is a great pack. Yeah. He is one of my favorite players right now. Bayer Leverkusen.
That's the one thing.
Great card. Beautiful. I'm actually going to put that on the side, right? So it's not seen. Ooh, nice. Oh, Bastoni. He's a great defender.
Nice and loud.
Calvin Stangs. Liverpool. Hunter Bradley. Nice. Nice. Big cards. Ooh, Jack Grealish. That's great card. Great pull. RB Leipzig. Danny Olmo. He actually went to Barcelona, but I mean, this is the 2024-25 season, but I think this was just right before. Yeah, he's Barcelona's new player. PSG. Nuno Mendes. Gabriel. Ooh, Levi Colwell. Good player. Good defender. Ooh, Pau Kubarsi. He's a great player. Great defender. Wesley Porter. Ooh, signed. It's a man of the match card. Liverpool. Oh, Steven Gerrard. Champion card. Okay, Real Madrid. Federico Valverde. That's a good player. Last one, Barcelona. Let's see. Lionel Messi. Best player. Great card. That is in his young stages. He won the Champions League 4 times. Great card. Okay. Now we have the last cards. They are the great cards. They are the ultra rare. Yep. What did we get? Federico DiMarco. Oh, great player and a great team.
What team?
Perfect. Inter Milan. Dang. These are going to be some really good packs. Second one. Who is it? Real Madrid? Jude Bellingham. Great young talent at such a young age. It's amazing. Bellingham. Bayer Leverkusen. Alejandro Grimaldo. Great player and has a lot of talent to offer. And last card. Chelsea. Cole Palmer. Great player. All around. Great assists. Great goals. Great everything. He is gonna win a lot of trophies one day. Probably Ballon d'Or. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed my pack opening. I will definitely do it again. I hope to see you next time. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye.